Hello everybody, Mr. Funny Pumpkin here with Junior. Sorry for not posting anyways. Been a long time since I posted, but I'm back here. I can explain why. I am not posting, alright? Because it was really busy last time. And yeah, I couldn't be able to post a lot. But here we are. Tips and tricks this time, not epic gameplay.
Yeah. Oh, that's a long time since you played Stealth Master.
I know.
Oh, you gotta kill him.
Okay, goodbye. Your head sliced off.
Yay.
He's gonna be confused. Like, what the heck is happening? Come here, mister! That's fine. I'm gonna slice your head off. I know, that's alright. I'll just turn out the... Oh, frick. Okay, I'll slice him from the back. Goodbye. Oh my god, what was that for? Hey, I'm completely innocent, and I completely did not come behind you. Alright, good. We're done with this.
You better get some.
Ads are coming, though. Darn it. Ads, I hate these.
Come on.
Doesn't it always happen?
I don't like ads.
Okay, yeah, I'm out of here. Okay, what to do? Okay, I'm out of here. Goodbye. Okay, let's get back up here.
Yes. Okay.
So we need to go back to... Oh my god, this is so fast. So, get the money as fast as you could. Simply, take upgrades, And whenever dealing with them, just make sure their, sight line is down. These guys, they have large sight lines. So wait till they turn back and take them out. Always avoid the cameras. And sometimes you gotta recklessly swing. Be wary of the snipers. The snipers often will deal a lot of damage. See, I'm nearly dead now. Oh, and always when you're low on health, always important to take some stuff.
No, don't.
Okay, hopefully this is bearable. Yeah, this is bearable. Okay, let me try slicing somebody. There we go, we got this. Oh, he's dead, yay. No help? Okay, we just skipped that help. I don't care. Let's do this now. Alright, we have High Sight Man. We have AK-47 Man. Okay, yeah. Oh, and these two armored guys, often what I do is I take a pistol with me, or a machine gun, or Uzi, and I just shoot them. High Sight don't do much damage, but they have a lot of sight, so they can catch you. Snipers do a lot of damage. That's why I often recommend staying away. Okay, I just escaped without killing him for some reason. I was trying to kill him, but I think something happened.
Okay, no.
Okay, this man's just spanking them. Okay.
Do you know?
Okay, now he's dead. I'm out of here.
Okay.
That was entertaining to watch, though. Okay, for some reason the sound turned out, guys, but I'm still alive. Yeah! Okay, no. I'm being killed. No, I died. I died. I'm better than 18% players. How dare you say that to me? Okay, I think the sound will turn back.
Whoa, that's too loud.
I think the sound will turn back after this. Okay. Okay, still no sound, apparently. This is getting weird. Alright, yeah, so here's what I'll do. I'm just gonna take this pistol. Let's do this. Alright, I like guns, because why not? Ninjas use guns. Like, I'm the assassin. Okay, I shot him. Hopefully they did not hear the sound. Pew, shout. Okay, I'm gonna sneak past it. Okay, I'm stuck.
You killed him.
Okay, nice. Oh my god, now he notices me. Okay, now I'm dead. I'm gonna try getting behind him. Okay, now everyone's alerted.
Sniper.
Oh yeah, don't worry. Okay, now they're back to nice and calm, patrolling their day-to-day life. Die. Now let me give me all the money. I'm a smuggler here. No. I'm a cat. This is a business, man. I need to make money off of this. I need to make money off killing agents. Well, people. Okay, yeah, you're smashing the shield. We're done with this. Okay, that's bearable, because that's 5 seconds? Okay, Silence.
I wonder what our new boss
Oh my
is.
god. This is so fast.
I wonder what our new boss is.
Shoot. You're dead. I shoot straight through the wall. Hey, Mr. Long sight, whatever. I'm gonna call you a random name. I'm gonna call everyone random names. Snipes. Okay, Snipes is a weird name, but hey. How you doing, mister? I'm definitely not a secret ninja trying to pass you. Okay. Pokemon Go.
Okay.
Oh, good. Okay. Is this bearable? Probably not. It's 30 seconds. I'm out of here. Hey, kid. How you doing? What's this? Okay, I'm quite out of here. This is getting unbearable. Get me out of here. Thank you. Alright, good. Now let's see what this man will give me. I always take the pistol, upgrade double shot, and I also take some armor with me. Nice, I'm safe. The pistol double shot can shoot through two things. Would you like to see? It shoots double bullets, so like that would be very handy when trying to kill 2 life people like him. Check it out, alright? So I'm just gonna make sure his side's away. Thank you so much, sir. See? 1 shot at him. Although it's actually a 2 shot. 1 shot, 2 shot, whatever. I don't know what to call it now. It's a 1-2 shot? Okay, hopefully I didn't lose any health from that.
Yes, there's a key and then that dude.
Okay, that dude. Hey man, how you doing? Okay, I just blew up a bunch of stuff. Because why not? I'm destructive!
Of course you are.
What's this?
I know what the boss
Oh
is gonna
gosh. Come on. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I have armor, so I'm actually safe. Hey man, how you doing? I'm gonna blow you through.
bully them. Bully them.
Apparently I heard a bit of a light sound for some reason.
Yeah.
A faint sound for some time. But I don't think that's going well. Anyways, even if the audio is out.
If you just put it on and then, you know, it'll be so loud because you put full.
Nope. Full ball.
Oh my god.
What is she doing? Okay, well, she's eating a banana while gaming. I'm eating nothing while playing. Recording, specifically. Give me armor! Thank you. I'm out of here. They used to, before you could just get anything for free. Now, why is my, double shot not working? Okay, I'm right behind you, mister. Okay, good. Now they're all alerted. And they're not chilling out. They're not chilling out. Chill out, people. Chill out. Okay? That's a bad guy, okay? The person you see is dead is definitely not dead, alright? He's just sleepy, okay? So chill out, please. Chill out, please. Please chill out. Chill out, my good sir. Please, chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Okay, he's definitely not chilling out. Okay, this man's so chill. This man's probably my favorite. No. I don't think I'm gonna let you survive. Chill
Looks flat on the ground, like flat.
Yeah, they're definitely sleep. Okay, yeah, I'm not so good at. I mean, I like. Oh, let's go.
Who are you?
Some dude. Apparently, I used to play tennis.
Yeah, in your life, right?
Yeah, in real life. Boom! Double shot them. Double kill. Double kill. Oh, I just broke him out of the window. How you doing, bro? You fell?
He just fell out the window. I never seen that.
I'm gonna do that again. Because why not? I want to.
Oh my, keep on falling out.
Go out of the window, mister. Go out of the window before I shoot you again. I forgot he's already dead. Can I take your shield? Thank you. I took your shield. They do not notice the little door opening. These people have a big problem. Oh, hi, Armored Man. How you doing? I'm gonna get into the security camera. Okay, chill out, guys. Okay? You just saw your own member in the security camera. Yeah, double kill. Now go out the window, mister. You go out the window. Probably not. Okay? So I'm just gonna get
you
the...
just need to one more to that box.
No, I need to get to the boss right now.
Yeah.
Right after seeing this unbearable poster. Okay, I'm done with here.
Are you good?
No. Still got this demo to play. It's very annoying.
He has to shoot some stupid bombs. No, you have to dodge them.
No, I think you're supposed to take them in.
Oh, yeah, I think so, yeah. Okay, just
Okay, what do we have here?
some Pinky Joes.
No, I don't think I'll care. Nothing. Since your prices are way too hard.
Okay.
Oh god. Okay, Lil Dump.
Wait, why do you have
That is a good name because he looks like a dumpster. Oh! I roasted him.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's
shoot.
gassy.
He's gassy. I mean, isn't that what you want?
You know what I mean.
Gassy. Oh god, yeah. He smells like trash. He is trash. Oh. Hey, mister, how you doing? Pew. The Last Stand.
Oh.
Those are some tips and tricks. Oh, he fell out of the window. Nice. If those are some tips and tricks for Stealth Master. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like and sub because this has been like 10 minutes, and I will be posting more this week. Again, sorry for the hiccup on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It was really tight and I couldn't post. But yeah.